Hey Home Inspiration Studios family! Tired of the traditional home building process? Looking for a more efficient, sustainable, and affordable housing solution? Small prefab homes offer a modern and stylish alternative to conventional construction. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In this video, we'll dive into the world of prefab homes and explore how to design and build your dream home. Small prefab homes are prefabricated homes that are manufactured in a factory and then transported to the building site. These homes are typically smaller than traditional homes, but they are designed to be highly efficient and functional. There are many reasons to choose small prefab homes. Here are some of the reasons. First, affordability. Prefab homes can be more affordable than traditional homes, as they are built in a controlled factory environment. Second, speed of construction. Prefab homes can be assembled quickly, often in a matter of weeks. Third, sustainability. Prefab homes can be built using sustainable materials and energy-efficient technologies. Fourth, customization. You can customize your prefab home to fit your specific needs and preferences. Fifth, durability. Prefab homes are built to last, and they can withstand harsh weather conditions. And to spark your creativity, here are some tips for designing your own small prefab homes. First, choose a reputable manufacturer. Select a manufacturer with a proven track record of quality and customer satisfaction. Second, consider your lifestyle. Think about your lifestyle and how you plan to use your home. Third, maximize space. Utilize every inch of space with clever storage solutions and multifunctional furniture. Fourth, prioritize natural light. Incorporate large windows to bring in plenty of natural light. Fifth, choose sustainable materials. Opt for eco-friendly materials like recycled steel, bamboo, or reclaimed wood. Sixth, incorporate energy-efficient features. Consider features like solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, and high-performance insulation. Seventh, personalize your home. Add your own personal touches with furniture, artwork, and decor. And to complete your inspiration, here these the collection of the top 10 best small prefab homes design ideas. 1. The minimalist modern. Sleek lines, open floor plans, and large windows define this style. Neutral color palettes and minimal decor create a serene and sophisticated atmosphere. Smart storage solutions maximize space efficiency. 2. The cozy cabin. Warm wood accents, stone fireplaces, and cozy seating areas create a warm and inviting ambience. Large windows offer stunning views of the surrounding nature. Loft bedrooms provide a unique and efficient use of space. 3. The industrial chic. Exposed brick walls, metal accents, and reclaimed wood give this style a raw and edgy feel. Open concept layouts and high ceilings create a spacious and airy interior. Bold, geometric shapes and patterns add visual interest. 4. The Scandinavian simplicity. Light, airy spaces, clean lines, and natural materials define this style. Minimalist decor and a focus on functionality create a serene and peaceful atmosphere. Large windows and skylights maximize natural light. 5. The Bohemian retreat. Eclectic mix of patterns, textures, and colors create a unique and personalized space. Vintage and antique furnishings add character and charm. Indoor plants bring nature indoors and improve air quality. 6. The eco-friendly haven. Sustainable materials like bamboo, cork, and recycled wood minimize the environmental impact. Energy-efficient appliances, solar panels, and rainwater harvesting systems reduce energy consumption and water usage. 7. The off-grid oasis. Self-sufficient living with solar power, wind turbines, and water tanks. Compact design and efficient use of space minimize energy consumption. Focus on natural light and ventilation for a comfortable and sustainable living environment. 8. The backyard escape. Perfect for guest houses or home offices, these small prefab homes offer a convenient and stylish solution. Modern, minimalist design and large windows create a bright and airy space. 9. The A-frame cabin. Unique triangular shape maximizes space and creates a cozy and efficient layout. Large windows offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Loft bedrooms provide additional sleeping space. 10. The container home. Eco-friendly and affordable, these homes are made from repurposed shipping containers. Customizable layouts and industrial aesthetics offer a unique and modern living experience. Small prefab homes offer a sustainable and affordable solution for modern living. By carefully considering your needs and preferences, you can design a beautiful and functional home that meets your lifestyle. Ready to explore the world of small prefab homes? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Homes Inspiration Studios, for more inspiring home design ideas. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best small prefab homes design plans ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.